Hariom everyone, welcome to the episode 2 of our home workout series. And if you want to practice the day 1, it's the full body practice. I will link it right here, you can do so. Now today's practice is going to be very beautiful because we are doing Ashtanga today, and I am just going to share only the standing series part of the Ashtanga in today's episode, because Ashtanga can be a little bit heavy for someone who is practicing for the very first time. So enjoy the practice. And so something about Ashtanga. Ashtanga is a beautiful blend of strength, flexibility, breath and movement. It's not just a physical practice, it is devotion, it's a prayer. So I hope you connect to the practice more than just moving, because it builds such core strength. It helps you to balance all the 7 chakras, and it gives you mobility, and it provides you that deep internal focus. So internally and externally, Ashtanga transforms you, challenges you. So there are various things, various points in Ashtanga which you have to keep in mind. The drishti, where you are looking, the breathing, Ujjayi Pranayam, and the movement. So just listen to your body and then do the movement. Even if I am doing deep forward folding, you just listen to your body and just do it as much as your capacity is. If you feel like using wall, if you feel like bending the knees, if you feel like using the blocks, you do so. So listen to the body and then you do it. Your body is your first temple. We have to pay the respect, right? We have to listen. So this is Ashtanga. I got my certification from Mysore itself. Ashtanga is given to us by Shri Pattabhi Jois, from the lineage of Shri Pattabhi Jois. And I just hope that you connect to the practice, not just move, not just finish the practice, you just connect to the practice more. So I hope you do that, and maybe this can be your starting, the start of Ashtanga for you. So I hope you enjoy, and then let me know your feedback in the comment section. I look forward to reading your comments, and have fun and enjoy. Alright everyone, let's come on the mat. Let's start our Ashtanga today. And so there are various important points when it comes to Ashtanga. The very first one is your Ujjayi Pranayam. Now Ujjayi Pranayam is just one kind of breathing practice which you do while you are flowing in the Ashtanga set of sequence. Okay? So now how do we do the Ujjayi Pranayam? Now whenever we do the deep breathing, we inhale, we exhale, like you do it with me. Take a nice deep breath in and deep breath out. So now we say that whenever we are doing the Ujjayi Pranayam, we are breathing more than we can inhale through the nose. Okay? So you are breathing more. And how do we do it? We try to contract the throat muscles here, and then you inhale and then you exhale. So step 1 of the Ujjayi Pranayam is like inhale through the nose and then open the mouth, or just imagine you have a mirror right in front of you and you have to fog the mirror. ठीक है, धुआं लेकर आना है मिरर के ऊपर. तो so it feels like the sound of the ocean, or the sound of the hissing sound. Okay, so once again inhale, open the mouth. Now the second step is produce the same sound by closing the mouth. Inhale through the nose. So the same sound जो हम मुंह खोलकर अभी प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे, अब वो मुंह बंद कर है. Again second round. Okay, I hope आवाज आ रही होगी. If you're not able to hear, it's not my fault. It's this microphone. Now the third and the last step is that the way you are exhaling, वैसे ही आपको inhalation देना है. So inhale again, contract the throat. Exhale again, contract the throat. So breathe through here, not through here. Do 1 or 2 rounds and try to do the Ujjayi as much as you can. This is a very powerful form of breathing. One should do, it's a very heating breath. So when we perform the asanas, heat is generated in the body through the movement and through the breath to bend the muscles, to bend the mind as well. Alright, so however, how much you can do Ujjayi Pranayam, you try to do the Ujjayi Pranayam. So, whenever I say inhale, so you have to do the Ujjayi Pranayam only, not the normal deep breathing. But अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है, so you do the normal deep breathing, it's fine. Okay, understood? Let's do a few rounds of the Ujjayi Pranayam seated. Let's do 5 of them and then we will do the prayer and we'll start. Alright, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, last one, exhale and relax. Open the eyes and relax. Chalo, let's stand up on the mat. We will start with the prayer. We always do the prayer before we start with the Ashtanga. So we stand up on the mat. Take a nice deep breath in here. Exhale, hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Try to listen to the prayer or repeat after me. Vande Gurunam Charana Ravinde Sandarshita Swatma Sukhavabodhe Nishreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Hala Hala Moha Shante Abahu Purushakaram Shankha Chakra Sidharinam Sahasra Shirsam Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalam. Very slowly open the eyes. Alright. And we start. Come inhale, hands go high. Touch the fingers, touch the palms, look up towards the thumb. Do exhale. Fold forward. Treni inhale. Look to the tip of the nose. Chatwari, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Do not touch the thighs on the ground. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Downward facing dog. Hold here. Stretch the hamstrings. If you feel like, maybe move the leg one by one. Just stay there and breathe here. Inhale. Do the Ujjayi Pranayam as much as you can or just deeply breathe. Breathe 3 more rounds. Deep breathing. Very slowly. Inhale. Look forward to the tip of the nose. Jump forward in between the hands. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands go high. Look up towards the thumb, stretch the whole body upward. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention, position. 4 more rounds. Alright, come inhale. Do exhale. Treni inhale. Chatwari exhale. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Parvatasana. hold here, 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, jump forward. Look to the tip of the nose. Exhale, look inside. Inhale, hands go high. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention position. Third round, Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Treni inhale, look to the tip of the nose. Chatvari. Exhale. Pancha inhale. Shat. Exhale. Hold here. Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump forward, look forward. Look to the tip of the nose. Exhale, look inside. Inhale, hands raise high. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention position. Fourth round. Fourth round. Ekam inhale. Dve exhale. Treni inhale. Chatvari. Exhale. Pancha inhale. Look up, look up. Shut. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Downward facing dog. Oops. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump forward, look forward. Inhale, look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, look inside. Inhale, hands reaching high. Exhale, Samasthiti. Last round. Ekam inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Chatvari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, shut. If you cannot jump every time in Chaturanga, then don't jump. Do the plank pose, walk back. फिर plank pose करो. Hold करें. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, jump forward. Look forward. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, all the way, hands go high. Exhale, Samasthiti. Shake the legs, everyone. Shake the legs. Shake the hands. Very nice. Let's move forward to Surya Namaskar. Be here. ठीक है. Exhale करके शुरू करेंगे. First exhale, bend the knees. Try to touch the fingers down. Inhale, hands reaching high, Utkatasana, chair pose. Look up towards the thumb. Exhale, fold forward. Now we do everything the same way. जो भी सूर्य नमस्कार A में किया, all the things remain same. Inhale, look forward, come on the tips of the fingers. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Downward facing dog. Now from here, we will step the left foot at a 45-degree angle. Right leg goes up, then right leg comes in between the hands. Drop the hips low, then raise the hands up, Virabhadrasana 1. Look up towards the thumb if possible, or keep looking forward. Exhale, again hands down. Now do the Chaturanga again. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now the right foot at a 45-degree angle. Left leg up. In between the hands. Drop the hips low. Hands reaching high. Exhale down. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now we hold here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, push the hands on the ground, everyone. 3, 4, 5. Jump forward. Look forward. Exhale, fold forward. Now just one little difference. We'll do Utkata Asana here. Bend the knees. Inhale, raise the hands up. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention position. Alright. So you do 3 times Chaturanga in Surya Namaskar B. Alright. So many Chaturangas. Chaturangas improve the full body strength, that deep internal focus. Try to keep your drishti very much focused whenever you do the asanas. Okay, so wherever I'm telling you to look there, try to keep your focus there. So like in Utkata Asana, you have to look up towards the thumb. Look there. It will help you to build that mental focus. We'll start second round. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward, look down towards the toes. Inhale, look to the tip of the nose. Exhale, jump back, look forward. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, look up. Exhale, look towards the toes. Left leg at a 45-degree angle, right leg in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Raise the hands, look up towards the thumb. Exhale. Now repeat the same thing. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now the left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, very nice. Hold the Parvatasana, look to the toes. 1, deeply breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, jump forward. Look to the tip of the nose. Exhale, look down towards the toes. Bend the knees, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Very nice. Third round. चलो. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Look to the tip of the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Jump back. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale. Adho Mukha. Right leg in between the hands. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg in between the hands. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale. Adho Mukha. Hold here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward. Jump forward. Look to the tip of the nose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale. Bend the knees. Inhale, Utkatasana. And exhale, Samasthiti. Very nice. 2 more rounds to go. Exhale. Ekam inhale. Exhale. Treni inhale. Chatvari. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta inhale. Virabhadrasana. Right leg forward. Ashto exhale. Chaturanga. Nava inhale. Urdhva Mukha. Dasha exhale. Adho Mukha. Ekdasha left leg. Duodasha Chaturanga. Triyodasha Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha Adho Mukha. Hold here. 1, 2. Push the hands on the ground, everyone. Do not sink into the ground. 3, 4, 5. All right. Jump forward. Inhale. Look to the tip of the nose. Exhale. Fold forward. Inhale. Bend the knees. Exhale. Samasthiti. Last round. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Treni inhale. Exhale. Chaturanga. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta right leg forward. Ashto Chaturanga. Nava Dasha exhale. Ekdasha left leg forward. Duodasha Chaturanga. Triyodasha Chaturdasha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump forward. Inhale, look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, Samasthiti. Alright, now jump and create some gap between the legs. Take a mat width apart gap between the legs. This is your Padangutha Asana. Fold forward with the first 2 fingers, grab the big toe. With the first 2 fingers, try to wrap your fingers around the big toe. Ekam, inhale, look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, bend the arms and fold forward. You can bend the knees as well. However you feel like, your practice, your rules. Stay here and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. 2, 3. Alright, just 3 breaths. Inhale now, once again, look to the tip of the nose. Now relax the eyes. Now take the hand completely under the foot. This is Padhasta Asana. Both the hands under the foot. Inhale, look to the tip of the nose. Exhale, bend the arms, fold forward once again. Look back. Hold here. 1, deep breathing. Ujjayi breathing or the deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. 2, 3. Slowly look forward to the tip of the nose. Relax the eyes. Take the hands on the waist. All the way stand up. And jump and close the gap between the legs. Very nice. Alright. Trikonasana everyone. Trikonasana. With the right leg, open your body. Now for the right leg, I'll have to face this way. Come inhale. With the right leg, open up your body. Now the right foot will face to the right side. The left leg is facing forward. Hands to the shoulder length. Inhale. Exhale, right hand going down. Trikonasana everyone. Left hand, look up towards the left thumb and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, all the way come back up. Take the right leg forward, the left leg to the left side. Come inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Trikonasana. Look up towards the right thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, all the way come back up. Now join the legs together, forward Samasthiti. जहाँ से शुरू किया था वहीं पर आ गए. Now Parshvakonasana. With the right leg open up. More gap between the legs. Right foot facing to the right side. Ekam inhale, hands to the center. The way exhale, bend the right knee, drop the right foot, the right hand behind the right foot, left hand over the head, look up towards the left fingers. 1, breathe and balance. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the center. Take the left leg to the left side. Inhale here. Exhale, left side bend. Drop right hand over the head. Look up towards the right fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the center. Inhale. Now join the legs. Again, Samasthiti. Attention, position. Very nice. Very slowly, right leg open up, everyone. Both the toes facing forward towards me. Now the hands are on the waist. Prasarita Padottanasana, A, B, C, D. First A करेंगे, उसके बाद B, फिर C, फिर D. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, hide your elbows behind, open the chest, look up to the sky. Exhale, fold forward, everyone, fold forward. Forward. And very slowly touch the hands on the ground. Inhale, look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, bend the arms and try to drop the center of the head in the middle of the hands. Hold here. As much as you can, try to go deep. Pushing with awareness. Hold for 1. Deep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, grab the waist. All the way, come back up. Very nice. Ekam inhale. Open the hands. Grab the waist. Roll the shoulders again. Hide the elbows again. Open the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Now just without the hands, try to drop the head as close as you can to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, all the way, come back up. Once again, open the hands, everyone. Prasarita Padottanasana, C, interlace the fingers behind, open the chest. Exhale, fold forward. As much as you can. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come back up. All right, grab the waist. Last one. Roll the shoulders back. Open the chest. Exhale. Hands sliding on the legs. Grab the big toes. Inhale. Look forward. Exhale. Bend the arms and then go down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, grab the waist and then come back up. All right, join the legs together, forward, Samasthiti, attention position. Very nice. Shake the legs, release the tension, shake, shake. All right, now Parshvottanasana. Ekam inhale, right leg open, make some gap, but not too much gap this time. And completely turn your body facing the other side. The back leg 45-degree angle, the front leg facing forward. Place the hands in the Namaskara Mudra behind. Open the chest, everyone, and exhale. Try to touch the chin down as much as you can towards the shin. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look towards the toe. 5. All the way come back up. Now just turn your body to the other side. Left leg forward now. Inhale, open. Exhale, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way come back up. Inhale, everyone. Open the hands, face towards me, and then Samasthiti. Attention position. Now, Utthita Hasta Padangutha Asana, A, B, C, D. Okay? Now you can have a wall to this side of you. Try to keep your focus very much on a single point. Do not look here and there. Now take the right hand all the way forward, the left hand over the waist. Right hand forward. With the first 2 fingers, grab the right foot. Like this. So you can bend your knee, that's fine. You can use the wall support, that's fine. Ekam inhale here. Exhale, everyone. We have to go down as much as you can. Touch the chin down. Hold here. Hold for 3, 2, 1. All the way come back up. Inhale. Exhale. Take the right leg to the right side. You can bend the knee, that's fine. You can use the wall. Try to look towards the left side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way come back. Right leg forward again. Now once again lift the right leg up, touch the chin down. Then relax. Take both the hands on the waist. Hold the right leg straight for 4, 3, 2, 1 and drop and relax. Now we'll do it on the other side. Now I know it's a little bit tricky, but the more you do the practice now, because it's the set of sequence, it's always the same. So it is going to become easy, just more practice is needed. Right hand over the waist, left hand. Try to grab the left leg. Ekam inhale. Do a exhale, try to fold forward. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to the center. Take the left leg to the left side. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg comes forward again. Touch the chin as much as you can. And release the leg. Hold by the waist. 4, 3, 2, 1. And join. Coming back to the center. Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. The right leg all the way up. Bend the right leg. Now place the right foot over to the left inner thigh. This way. Now take the right hand all the way back and try to grab the foot, or just keep your right hand very close to the foot. Left hand all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, we fold forward. As much as we can, fold forward. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward, everyone. All the way, take the hand up. Balance out. Once you are up, release. You can keep a wall to the side of you always. The other leg, left leg goes up, then to the side. Place the foot on the inner thigh. Left hand all the way back. Right hand all the way up. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward. Hold here. As much as you can, use blocks, use wall support, all the props you need just to make your practice more accessible for you. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Look forward to the tip of the nose. Look forward all the way. Take the right hand up. Balance out. And then drop. Inhale, everyone. Exhale out. Chalo, do the Surya Namaskar A here. A, come inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Jump forward again, in between the hands. Now straight move into Utkatasana, everyone, and hold. Chair pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold forward. Inhale, look forward once again. Go for Surya Namaskar. Jump back. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Right leg in between the hands this time. Go for Virabhadrasana 1. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just shift on the other side for Virabhadrasana 1. Now bend the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open the hands. The right foot will face forward now. The left foot facing left side. Open the hands, Virabhadrasana 2. Look towards the left fingers. 1. Grip the mat. 2. Push the left knee back. 3. Breathe, everyone. 4. 5. The drishti should be ekagra. Focus at a single point. Now the right knee bends. Look towards the right fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand goes on the left leg, right hand all the way up. Drop both the hands on the ground. Wonderful. Very slowly. Now see, if you want to, you can just straight move into Chaturanga. If you feel like you want to do a handstand jump, then the right leg will go back. You'll come in this position. You'll rock front to back, and with the left leg, you'll kick up. The moment the left leg goes up, the right leg has to go up for the handstand. Push the ground away. Focus on the wrist, gripping the mat. Let's do one round. Inhale. And then the moment you are reaching the ground, you try to drop and into the Urdhva Mukha. Lift up the body. Let's do one more round. Right leg forward, left leg back. Inhale. The moment the left leg goes up, right leg goes up. Switch the legs down, Urdhva Mukha. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Wonderful. Jump forward in between the hands. And settle down. Settle down, everyone. Relax. Now we are done with the standing series and we will relax. So we only wanted to do the standing series today. Take a moment. A deep breath in, a deep breath out. Try to calm your breathing. We'll take a nice Shavasana now, okay? Before the Shavasana, we have to do one pranayam. Very nice. Open the eyes, relax. So I'm filming the episode 2 of our series just for the standing series. I just filmed the standing series only. Open the eyes and relax. Alright, so now today I just filmed the standing series of the Ashtanga practice. I will be continuing my practice right now after I make you do the pranayam. But only this much I'm filming today. In the next coming episodes, I will film the sitting series and I will make sure that I cover the full series. But I know it can be a lot for anyone. But I know it can be a lot for someone. So that is why you can pair it up with any other episode and you can do your own practice if you want to do more. But for today, I will be just filming this much. So right now, let's do the pranayam. Alright everyone, we have to do the 4 seconds inhalation, 4 seconds holding the breath, 4 seconds exhalation, 4 seconds holding the breath. Shall we? Let's start. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Very slowly. Open the eyes. Let's lay down in Shavasana for as long as we need. Take care. Let's just take the Shavasana for as long as you need. Just like this, you do the Shavasana. Open up your hands, open up the armpits, and just relax. Alright, you can take the Shavasana for as long as your body needs it. Shavasana is very healing. So you can just be in Shavasana for as long as you want to. Let me know your feedback in the comment section about the Ashtanga. How did you like it? How did you find it if you did it for the very first time? Let me know something about you as well. For how long are you practicing? What kind of a practitioner you are? So that I can make these episodes more, something more that you want. Or if you just want to do the practices that I do, because these are my practices, this is how I train, then enjoy them. And one thing I want to tell you is that try to repeat these episodes again and again. Just don't do them one time and then look for the next episode or the next practice. Try to do the same practice again and again, because the mind every time wants something new, but the body takes time to adjust to the practices. So you have to do these practices again so that the body starts to adjust to it, and you become familiar to it. It's very, very important. So you do this Ashtanga, especially this Ashtanga series, you need to do it again and again so that the body and the mind both becomes familiar to the practice. Alright, so let me know about yourself and these questions in the comment section. I would want to know more about you. Hari Om. Have a beautiful day ahead and take the Shavasana if you need it. I am saying it with experience. So take the Shavasana. Hari Om.